Hi guys, so today we are going to cover all Mandhan Yojanas launched by the government and Mandhan means pension for all. देखो मान का मतलब हिंदी में वो सम्मान वाला होता है मुझे तो लगता है रेस्पेक्ट एंड फॉर रेस्पेक्ट पीपल थिंक दैट कि पैसों का होना थोड़ा ज़रूरी है नहीं तो आप डिपेंडेंट हो जाते हैं जब आप बूढ़े हो जाते हैं आप ओल्ड हो जाते हैं तो इसीलिए पेंशन इज़ इम्पोर्टेंट एंड गवर्नमेंट फेल्ट कि टू इंश्योर पेंशन फॉर पीपल हु आर नॉट एंटाइटल्ड टू पेंशन खैर अभी तो कोई भी एंटाइटल्ड नहीं है तो government felt कि since it is like people don't have great habit to save for their future, so government brought these schemes for especially for those people who are not covered under any kind of social security. So three kind of Mandhan Yojanas were brought by government and those were Kisan, Shram Yogi and Vyapari. Okay, and as you can see पैसे पैसे बरसने वाले हैं इसीलिए मैंने emojis का यूज किया है पैसे वाले ठीक है. So let's start the video. Okay, the first Mandhan Yojana is Pradhan Mantri Kisan Mandhan Yojana. Obviously, this is for farmers, and I have taken the screenshot straight from the website, and you can see here again Kisan Rath mobile app is mentioned. And I have already mentioned it in my previous video several times. You may get irritated, but if the question comes, be thankful to me. Okay, so Kisan Rath mobile app was recently launched by government so that the logistic supply chain of the agricultural products could be smoother, and that's why it becomes important because this has been launched keeping in mind the situation of COVID-19. So you must go and watch my video where Kisan Rath mobile app is mentioned. Okay, so in Kisan Mandhan Yojana, so basically any Yojana, first of all we need to understand कि योजना है किसके लिए पहली बात for whom who is the intended beneficiary of the scheme. Second is the eligibility of those beneficiaries कि क्या eligibility criteria है and third is the features that what are the features available under that scheme. सो क्योंकि किसान की बात है तो मैंने नींबू वो एप्पल्स और ग्रेप्स वगैरह लगा दिए. आपको याद होना चाहिए कि किसान मानधन योजना में ये फोटोज थे. किसान वैसे काइंड ऑफ ऑब्वियस है बट but people who are not Hindi speaking, for them it can be it is difficult to remember that Kisan means farmer. So I have given the pictures of beautiful apple and grapes. You can remember it. All right. And so okay. So let who is the beneficiary of Kisan Mandhan Yojana? It is meant for uh, old age protection and social security, as I already mentioned, of small and marginal farmers. Okay. एंड स्मॉल एंड मार्जिनल फार्मर्स का मतलब होता है कि पर्टिकुलर हेक्टेयर्स ऑफ लैंड उनके पास अगर है मतलब उससे है उतना है या उससे कम है देन दोज आर स्मॉल एंड मार्जिनल फार्मर्स. So basically it is not for like rich farmers. It is for like people who are don't have so much of land so that they can earn a lot of money. So to cover them under social security, small and marginal farmers, Pradhan Mantri Kisan Mandhan Yojana has been brought. And for small and marginal farmers, here they mean it is up to 2 hectares of cultivable land. If they have only up to 2 hectares, then they are considered as small and marginal farmers. And the age bracket which is under this scheme is between 18 to 40 years. Because see, retirement is mostly considered एट अराउंड 60 years. सो आप अगर 40 साल में भी सेव करना शुरू नहीं कर रहे हैं तो गवर्नमेंट पेंशन आपको देगी कैसे. सो बेसिकली द एज ब्रैकेट इज 18 to 40 years. In this age bracket you know keep some amount of money in the scheme, and government is also providing matching contribution. If you are providing 1000, government is also providing 1000, and all this will accumulate, and then when you will be retired you will get an assured pension of rupees 3000 per month. Okay, and obviously that is why the premium will fluctuate with the age you join. Like if you are joining at 18 years, then you have a lot of time to like what save money. So if a pension is assured of 3000 per month, so the premium will be low if you are joining at 18 years. But if you are joining at 40 years, so government needs to ensure that at the time of retirement you need to have a pension of 3000, so your premium will be high at that point of time. Okay, that is you need to notice that. Okay, and this is a voluntary and contributory pension scheme. It is not forced at anyone. If you want to join, you can come forward and join the scheme. That is why it is said voluntary and contributory, because you have to contribute to the scheme. It is not that you just enroll it and you will get an assured pension. You need to contribute, and matching contribution will be provided by Government of India as well. Okay. Also, the spouse is also eligible to get a separate pension of rupees 3000 upon making separate contributions to the fund. Now, you need to focus on the word separate, because it is not that you are making the contribution and your spouse will also get an extra pension of 3000. No, that is not going to happen. But if your spouse is like trying, if your spouse is also wanting to make a separate contribution for his or her pension, then your spouse is also eligible to do that. It's not that for a family only one person will do. You can do, your spouse can also do separately, and both will get separate pension of 3000 if they are making separate contributions. Okay. Also, the as I said you, the premium will vary between rupees 55 to rupees 200 depending on the age of entry. If you are entering early, you will have to pay less. If you are entering late, you will have to pay more as monthly contribution, and the range is 55 to 200. Okay. Also, after a minimum period of 5 years, minimum you have to like contribute for 5 years. After that, you can opt to exit the scheme. Okay. But the contributions need to be regular. It's not that if you are not regular, then the government may not consider to give you the option of exiting the scheme. But if you have made regular contributions for a minimum period of 5 years, you can opt to exit the scheme. Also, if suppose a person had made all kind of contribution but there is no spouse, then who will be the nominee? Okay, I mean, sorry, then who will get the contribution if that person is not there? Then if there is no spouse, obviously, as all the insurance schemes go, that the total contribution along with interest will be paid to the nominee, whoever you mention as your nominee. That person can be anybody who is close to you. That person will get your contribution along with interest. And if the farmer dies after the retirement date, the spouse will receive 50% of the pension as family pension. ठीक है, अभी यहाँ पे clause इसीलिए ऐसा रखते हैं क्योंकि सी गवर्नमेंट इज ऑल्सो मेकिंग कंट्रीब्यूशन ना, तो गवर्नमेंट प्रॉफिट कमाएगी कैसे? आपको वो दे तो रही है कंट्रीब्यूशन, पर गवर्नमेंट के पास इतने पैसे आएंगे कहाँ से? तो कहीं ना कहीं से दे कीप ऐसे क्लॉज की अगर ऐसा आपने किया तो दैट मनी इज फिर गवर्नमेंट का. सेम वे यहाँ पे इफ द फार्मर डाइज आफ्टर द रिटायरमेंट डेट, okay, and then spouse had not made any separate contribution, if the spouse had not made any separate contribution, but even if the person dies, his or her spouse will receive 50% of the pension as family pension, not 100%, only 50%. Okay. Also, अगर दोनों मर गए, अब फार्मर भी मर गया, स्पाउस भी मर गया, then the whole corpus will be credited back to the pension fund. It will not be given to anybody. ना वो कहानी है ना, हमारी बचपन में मुझे सुनाते थे, मैं बहुत इरिटेट होती थी उस कहानी से, दैट होता ना, एक था राजा एक थी रानी, दोनों मर गए, खत्म कहानी. वही वाली बात है यहाँ पे कि अगर दोनों मर गए, होता है ना, फार्मर भी मर गया, उसके स्पाउस भी मर गए, तो फिर वो पैसा सरकार का, वो सरकार की बल्ले बल्ले, फिर किसी का पैसा नहीं है वो. ऑल्सो ये सारे पैसे मैनेजिंग का काम लाइफ इंश्योरेंस कॉर्पोरेशन ऑफ इंडिया जो है हमारा, जिंदगी के साथ भी जिंदगी के बाद भी, इट इज गोइंग टू मैनेज इट. So the pension fund manager and responsible for pension payout, the organization which is going to pay you the pension is LIC. Okay. Next comes the next Mandhan Yojana, which is Pradhan Mantri Shram Yogi Mandhan Yojana. And as you can see, beautiful pictures, these are of unorganized workers. So this scheme is for unorganized workers because their money is not that much, and they do not they are not under any kind of social security. So to give them a secure future, Pradhan Mantri Shram Yogi Mandhan Yojana has been launched. And please notice that this scheme is in collaboration with Ministry of Labor and Employment and Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. Farmer wala to Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare was obvious, but Shram Yogi Mandhan Yojana is not does not come under only Ministry of Labor and Employment. It is under both Ministry of Labor and Employment and Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. So if we need to understand that who is the beneficiary, as I've already said you, this scheme is meant for old age protection and social security of unorganized workers. Cute emojis here. Yay! And the eligibility will be entry age again is 18 to 40 years. But if you remember Pradhan Mantri Kisan Mandhan Yojana, that was meant for small and marginal farmers. वहाँ भी we mentioned, because see, we need to mention the cap of money or land or something, because we need to understand that the beneficiaries should be someone who is not capable enough to contribute by himself or herself to their social security fully. That's it. That is why government will also contribute for their social security, and that is why we need to understand that this should not be for people who are rich enough to take care of their social security or their old age. So we need a cap here, and like in Pradhan Mantri Kisan Mandhan Yojana, we had a cap that the small and marginal farmer will be considered only if he has a cultivable land up to 2 hectares. Here for unorganized workers, it is that if your monthly income is up to rupees 15,000, then you are eligible for this scheme. Okay, and here also the assured pension is of 3,000 per month, and this is again same voluntary and contributory pension scheme, and matching contribution is provided by the government of India. Okay, and the last one in the line is प्रधान मंत्री व्यापारी मानधन योजना, बट इसका फॉर्मल नाम ये नहीं है, वो बंगालीज में होता है एक डाक नाम और बालो नाम, तो दिस इज बेसिकली डाक नाम, पेट नेम जिसको बोलते हैं, but the formal name is something else, we'll know that. And this scheme is also under Ministry of Labor and Employment and Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, as you can see. एंड एक बहुत अच्छी लाइन लिखी हुई है, जिनकी मेहनत देश का आधार, उनकी पेंशन का सपना साकार। सो व्यापारियों और स्वरोजगारियों के लिए राष्ट्रीय पेंशन योजना, 3 करोड़ बोलते हैं ये लोग की जो ट्रेडर्स हैं और जो मतलब होता है ना सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयड हैं, स्वरोजगार मतलब सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयड। सो ट्रेडर्स एंड सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयड जो हैं जिनका नंबर इज अराउंड 3 करोड़, सो उनके सेफ सिक्योर फ्यूचर के लिए this scheme is brought. Okay, so the formal name of this scheme is National Pension Scheme for Traders and Self-Employed Persons Yojana. And this is a government scheme meant for old age protection and social security of shopkeepers, retail traders and self-employed persons. तो ये जितने भी traders, shopkeepers और self-employed people होते हैं जो business करते हैं, उनके लिए the scheme is brought. Okay, entry age is same between 18 to 40 years, और annual turnover जो है इनका, it should not exceed rupees 1.5 crore. Okay, annual turnover ना, इनका annual turnover इतना high इसलिए लिखा जाता है because they have high kind of risk as well, and उसमें इनको खुद का भी कॉस्ट बेयर करना पड़ता है ना, जो कॉस्ट प्राइस है चीजों का, इनको पैसे लगाने पड़ते हैं, देन ओनली दे गेट प्रॉफिट. सो दैट इज व्हाई द कवरेज इज सच ह्यूज. यू डोंट थिंक दैट व्हाई आर व्हाई द नंबर इज सो huge for these people. They need to invest in their business. सारे पैसे इनके घर पे नहीं रहते ना for use. That is why annual turnover should not exceed rupees 1.5 crore. If it is not exceeding 1.5 crore, you are eligible for this yojana. And here also the assured pension is rupees 3,000 per month, and it is voluntary. आपके पास option है, you can choose to opt, you cannot choose to opt. It is contributory. Matching contribution will be provided by Government of India as well. You contribute, government also contributes, और सबका अच्छा होगा. So this is all we have for all Mandhan Yojanas in one video. Bye bye. अच्छे से रहो.